I saw these Chinese seafood mushrooms in the store and wondered how they would taste. With an Asian-inspired sauce and lo mein noodles, let's find out. Let's cook. So let's start by soaking those noodles in hot water for a while. You'll finish cooking in the sauce later. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. Some oil in the pan, and start the garlic frying. Fresh ginger tastes amazing. 1 inch of ginger root, minced finely. And ginger into the pan. And a whole onion, minced. And onion into the pan. Mushrooms. I'm using regular white mushrooms, well washed. I know where mushrooms grow. Slice them up. And add the mushrooms to the pan. This really is a one-pan recipe. Give the mushrooms a 2-minute head start. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And now, the Chinese seafood mushrooms. They are so delicate. Cut off the roots and leave the rest whole. I've seen them called seafood mushrooms or snow white mushrooms. Into the pan. Drizzle with sesame oil for its flavor. A handful of snow peas, and let that fry for another minute. Cut up the green onions. They don't need to cook a lot. While that's frying, let's mix up the sauce. Soy sauce, brown sugar, a tablespoon of vinegar, a tablespoon of flour, and a half cup of broth. Now, drain and add the noodles. Another 2 minutes. Add the sauce, simmer for another minute. A taste test is always good. The sauce is salty enough. Serve it out. And enjoy. That was a great taste combination. Those mushrooms are delicate and flavorful. Amazing. Ingredients: 4 ounce chow mein noodles, 3 cloves of garlic, cooking oil, 1 inch of ginger root, 1 onion, 4 ounces mushrooms, 4 ounces Chinese seafood mushrooms, sesame oil, 4 ounces of snow peas, 1 stalk of green onion, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon vinegar or rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1/2 cup of chicken broth.